Hi and welcome back for step 4. So our medium this month is Gold Stickles Glitter Glue. And if you haven't used this, it just comes in a little squeeze bottle. And you can do all kinds of fun things with stickles. You can sort of draw with it. You can make cute little dots with it. And you can even cover surfaces with it, which is what we're going to do tonight. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take little dots of glitter glue and we're going to just go down the edge of the vine. And this might be something that doesn't really show up on the photo of the finished project. So I'm just going to add dots of this gold. And so far all of our colors are really earthy, very neutral. I just wanted to add a little bling to that. So as you can see, there's the little dots of glitter glue there. Okay, we're going to set that aside, let that dry. And then we also have these beautiful paper flowers. And what we're going to do with those is just put little bits of the glitter glue on the top of the little flower centers. Just for a little sparkle on a really neutral flower. Okay, and just take my finger and kind of dab that like that. You can see that little shimmer. And then we have our little, whoops, I got carried away with that. So I'm just going to take that and just take my whole finger and just dab that right there. Okay. Now, we also have these adorable little wood birds. And I'm going to take a handful of these birds and we're going to put glitter glue directly on the surface of these. And how I do that is just take my fingertip and you want to cover the whole thing. We're going to put one coat on, let it dry, and it only takes 5-10 minutes. And then we'll put another coat on just to make sure it's covered really well. Okay, so set that out to dry. Another bird, and I'm being pretty specific with the directions of these birds, how they're flying. So consult the newsletter image if you want to make sure you know which way they need to go. Okay. And then I just have a little teeny tiny bird. So really only 3 of these are going to get covered really well. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're going to let those dry. It's pretty far away on the camera. All right, we're going to let these dry. Zoom in a little bit. And then we'll come back and we'll place all these elements.